In the figure below, L and M are parallel, R and T are perpendicular, and measure of angle 1 equals to 32 degrees. Lines L, R and T intersect at one point. Find measure of angle 2, measure of angle 3, measure of angle 4, measure of angle 5. In the given figure, we have 5 angles in which we have the measure of angle 1, that is 32 degrees. We have to find the remaining 4 angles, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now let's consider the angle over here. This is a right angle, so it measures 90 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 2 together form a right angle. So these two angles add up to 90 degrees. That is, measure of angle 1 positive, measure of angle 2 equals to 90 degrees. Since we know that the measure of angle 1 equals to 32 degrees, we can plug in this 32 degrees for measure of angle 1 over here. Then we get 32 degrees positive, measure of angle 2 equals to 90 degrees. Let me subtract 32 degrees from both sides of this equation to solve for measure of angle 2. Okay, here this positive value, negative value will cancel out. Measure of angle 2 equals to 58 degrees. Okay, I got the measure of angle 2. Now let's consider this angle and this angle. These two angles are vertical angles, so they must be equal. So there is a measure of angle 2 and measure of angle 3 are equal. Already we got the measure of angle 2, that is 58 degrees. Then the measure of angle 3 is also the same. That is, the measure of angle 3 equals to 58 degrees. Okay, now let's consider angle 4 over here. This angle and this angle together form a straight angle. So these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. Already we know that here we have right angle, that is 90 degrees. Then what is the measure of the angle over here? So this one also must be 90 degrees, so that these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. That's a measure of an angle on a straight line. So a measure of angle 4 equals to 90 degrees. Okay, now let's find the measure of angle 5. We know that lines L and M are parallel according to the information. Then we can consider line R as transversal. Since these two parallel lines L and M are intersected by the transversal R, this angle, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. They are equal in measure. So angle 5 equals to angle 3. Already we know that the measure of angle 3 equals to 58 degrees. So the same we can take over here. Here I got the measure of angle 5. Now we have to get the measure of angle 6. Again the same thing. There is lines L and M are parallel. R is transversal. Then this angle, angle 1 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They must be equal in measure. So then angle 6 equals to angle 1. But already we have the measure of angle 1, that is 32 degrees. So the same we can write over here. So here I got the measure of angle 2, measure of angle 3. Both of them are 58 degrees. Measure of angle 4 is 90 degrees. Measure of angle 5 is 58 degrees. Measure of angle 6 is 32 degrees.